property at Guyra is Fiona and Derek Smith's family business working with nature. Amongst other things, they produce pasture-based free-range eggs.
The summers are mild, the winters are cool, and it's ideal for egg production.
Based on Joel Salatin's model, the cows graze the paddocks down and then the chooks come in. They clean up the parasites and fertilise the paddock as they move through.
They have clovers and all sorts of grasses here to feed on, and they have a mobile shed that just keeps them in a fresh part of the paddock all the time. We have hens on very healthy soils, on a healthy diet, wandering freely, enjoying life and producing a very healthy egg.